Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of How To. Today, we're going to be talking about how to become invisible online. What is online invisibility? Online invisibility is the state of being anonymous or unidentifiable online. This means that no one can track your online activity or see your personal information. Why would you want to be invisible online? There are many reasons why you might want to be invisible online. For example, you might want to protect your privacy, or you might want to avoid being tracked by advertisers. How to become invisible online? There are a number of things you can do to become invisible online. Here are a few tips. Use a VPN virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your traffic and routes it through a server in another location. This makes it difficult for anyone to track your online activity. Use Tor the Onion router. Tor is a network of computers that encrypt your traffic and route it through multiple nodes. This makes it very difficult to track your online activity. Use an anonymous email service. An anonymous email service will not store your personal information, and it will not track your email activity. Use a secure browser. A secure browser will encrypt your traffic and protect your privacy. Be careful about what information you share online. Don't share your personal information, such as your name, address, or phone number. Be careful about what websites you visit. Don't visit websites that are known to track your activity. Conclusion: by following these tips, you can become more invisible online and protect your privacy. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.